closed doors, we go to war. All out, heroes turn bitch. You have to fall out, bitch. Fall out, snitch. Switch to out of bounds, shit flick. Knock the ball out, danger. Niggas throw the kid behind closed doors, we go to war. All out, heroes turn bitch. You have to fall out, bitch. Fall out, snitch. Switch to out of bounds, shit flick. Knock the ball out, danger. Niggas throw the kid. War is a scorpion, an animal that stings. I'm like back with blood coming out the wings. You should never in your wildest dreams shit on a nigga who resides in the borough of Queens. Strong wicked, in the Lex on the celly. Now you get fucked without the KY jelly. How I made it, you salivated over my calibrated. Raps that validated my ghetto credibility. Still I be packing agilities unseen. For real, my killing abilities unclean facility. For more of the military tactics, I'm seeing extreme confidential. My exterior serene with the potential of a killing machine. Ex-marine, you drag queen, we tag team queens. Finest the alliance defined, we bag fiends. The fuck you looking in my face for, nigga? I mace mics and then lace the bass with figures. Closed doors, we go to war. All out, heroes turn bitch. You have to crawl out, bitch. Fall out, snitch. Switch to out of bounds, shit flick. Knock the ball out, danger. Niggas throw the kid. Behind closed doors, we go to war. All out, heroes turn bitch. You have to crawl out, bitch. Fall out, snitch. Switch to out of bounds, shit flick. Knock the ball out, danger. Niggas throw the kid. Ball out. Decapitate his ass, smack him, slap him in the back of the truck. Exasperate the life of his man and then pack it up. Cut off his hands and send his girl multiple faded sandwiches. And she managed to keep damages, put on advantages. The amateurs, bananas is the unanimous, baby shoes and the scandalous. Even with Jordan arms, you couldn't handle us. The audience and the motherfucking panelists. My life's equipped with laser sights to that commandments. Never you juggle. My level's rather a high evolutionary rebel.